Vector graphics are a very popular type of graphics that will allow you to scale your work to any size without any loss in quality. As iPad users, you might struggle a bit to find vector apps that suit your device. To help you out, we have collected some of the greatest iPad apps that could be an asset to you as a designer. Let's get to it. Number 13. Clip Studio Paint. It's a sophisticated app for drawing, painting, and creating comics. The desktop version allows you to create stunning graphics and artworks with ease. Besides that, it's a multi-purpose tool thanks to its versatile nature. The iPad version, on the other hand, will allow you to extensively get the best of it in a very unique environment. It comes with tools and brushes that make drawing very effective and fun, especially using a stylus. Furthermore, it comes with a pencil tool, paint tools, and a range of pre-made shapes that you can pick from the store. Number 12. Assembly. It's a great app for vector creation. You can use it to make illustrations, logos, paintings, and animations. It has great features like the Smart Snapping system, shadow options, rotation, shape flip, and so on. Furthermore, it comes with a wide range of assets including 250 custom stickers, 35 pre-designed and custom color palettes, and shapes with more than 1,000 options to choose from. Number 11. Protosketch. It's a great vector creation app that will provide you with a thrilling experience. It's equipped with vector tools, fonts and texts, shape tools, icons and UI elements, align options, snap system, gradients, RGB and HEX sliders, blenders, color picker, swatches, and color wheels. Number 10. Vectorinator Pro. It's an impressive vector-based app that was around for quite a long time. It keeps growing continuously with more and more features. Using it, you'll be able to create high-quality immersive graphics, drawings, and illustrations. It's featured with alignment, duplication, rotation, scaling, along with other cool features. In addition to that, it has gradients, color pickers, color blending, and palettes in HEX, RGB, and HSB. There's also the awesome Auto Trace tool that allows you to convert raster images into vectors. Number 9. Crayons. It's a pretty basic app that is all about vector drawing. It grants you the possibility to draw simple shapes and lines assisted by a layering system. However, it doesn't support object manipulation on canvas. If you're just starting out and you're looking for a decent app to initiate yourself, this one will be perfect. Number 8. Freeform. It's a straightforward app that comes with a very simple user interface. It's organized with a sidebar for tools and other options in the top bar. If you need an app that allows you to jump right to the work, then Freeform is the one. Despite the simplicity, it's a solid app with a variety of drawing options and good results. Number 7. Touch Draw. It's a multi-purpose drawing app that helps you create professional work thanks to its tools and features. It has tons of adjustment possibilities and it supports layering. In addition to that, it allows you to create objects and save them as shapes for further use. Besides that, you can perform various manipulations on your objects, like grouping them, for example. Once you're done, you can display your work on external screens using a VGA adapter. Number 6. iDesign. iDesign is one of the best vector drawing apps in the entire store with a very simple user interface. The UI is actually one of the main factors that make it so efficient. It makes the workflow and the learning process quite easy. It's not exclusive to iPad only, since it works just fine with iPhone as well. The app has a graph in the background by default, which is very handy for drawing accurate shapes and objects. It's equipped with a scalability feature that you can use to easily scale your drawings. Not to mention that exporting with iDesign has a variety of format options. Number 5. Affinity Designer. It's one of the most suitable apps for vector drawing. It allows you to create stunning illustrations, icons, banners, typography, and much more. It comes with curves editing, pen tool, node tool, shape tools, and it can handle various color modes like RGB, CMYK, Pantone, Lab, and Grayscale. In addition to that, it supports the non-destructive Boolean features and the access to iCloud as well. It also has excellent text tools that will allow you to create beautiful typography, in addition to supporting OpenType. An amazing thing about Affinity Designer is the way it combines between bitmap and vector graphics. Not to mention that switching from one mode to another is super smooth. Number 4. Concepts. It's a perfect app for sketching and digital art, having an advanced yet very user-friendly UI that is easy to get a grip of. It suits architects, digital artists, and designers, and it's equipped with many advanced features that will allow you to draw and create vector art just fine. Using it, you can edit, colorize, scale, transform, and rotate any object. Furthermore, it has handy features that will help you get the most of your design process, like shape guides and measurement tools. On top of that, Concept grants you the ability of creating an unlimited canvas number. You can also adjust the opacity and change other parameters within the layers. Once you're done, you can export your work in various formats, like PDF, SVG, and so on. Not to mention that it's very compatible with other programs like Procreate, Adobe, and Sketchbook. Number 3. Graphic. Before talking about the app, we have to clarify one thing. It used to be known as iDraw, and then Autodesk Graphic before settling on the current name. With that being said, it's an impressive vector-based app that is available for Mac as well. It has many features like import and export for PSD, PDF, and SVG, Dropbox export, iCloud synchronization, and much more. All that in one simple-looking app. It also